The ShamRockAway Motorhome stands as a testament to American ingenuity and the passion of one man, Dennis McGuire of Alma, Michigan. Constructed in the 1960s, this unique vehicle was crafted by merging parts from multiple Buick station wagons, resulting in an 8-wheeled, 28-foot-long motorhome that defied conventional design. McGuire, a dedicated Buick enthusiast and founding member of the Family Motor Coach Association, sought to combine the comfort of Buick's coil spring suspension with the functionality of a motorhome. To achieve this, he utilized one intact 1962 Buick station wagon as the central structure, attaching the front and rear sections of another to either end. Additional components from other Buicks were incorporated to complete the build. The result was a vehicle with a curb weight of approximately 9,960 pounds, powered by a 401 cubic inch V8 engine from a Buick Electra 225, paired with a Dynaflow transmission. A notable feature of the ShamRockAway was its custom-designed steering system, engineered by McGuire's son, Michael. This system allowed all 4 front wheels to turn, enhancing maneuverability despite the vehicle's size. The motorhome also boasted air shocks on the drive wheels, 2 gas tanks, dual heaters and air conditioners, a double-core radiator, and a host of other amenities designed for comfort and practicality. Inside, the ShamRockAway was equipped with thoughtful features such as map and booklet holders in the front doors, a folding door to expand the bathroom area, and ample storage integrated into the kitchen and living spaces. The driver's seat was positioned over the engine, a design choice that, while unconventional, was executed with safety and comfort in mind. Additional instruments included an altimeter, CB radio, vacuum gauges, and an auxiliary battery switch. In a whimsical touch, McGuire installed a bicycle bell as the horn, delighting passersby during his travels. McGuire completed the ShamRockAway at the age of 69, and alongside his wife Lucille, journeyed across various states, including Arizona and Pennsylvania. Their travels were often met with astonishment and amusement, with CB radio comments likening the vehicle to Noah's Ark and an 18-wheeler that has been in a wreck. Despite initial skepticism from onlookers, McGuire's creation proved both functional and endearing. After McGuire's passing in 1990, the ShamRockAway eventually found its way to a wrecking yard, where it was later purchased by an individual with intentions to restore it. As of now, the current status of the motorhome remains uncertain, but its legacy endures as a symbol of creativity and the enduring spirit of innovation.